Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's up, everybody? I'm out here with my boy. I'm out here with Kate.
Yeah, and stop calling my phone on Fisher.
Heard him. Fish one bait.
Y'all let go.
Yes, sir, man. So, I was trying to take the boat out today. Water too rough, so plan B. We headed to the pier. See you when we get there. Let's go. Okay. Alright, y'all. We out here, man. Right down here. About to get right. Hey, oh, he had a bite, y'all. He had one, man. Like, share, subscribe, man. We about to get the fish on. Let's go. All right, my people, so check it out. I'm out here with an ugly stick, man. It's the fast action, fast tip. Y'all see that? It's real flimsy at the tip, but it got a lot of backbone to it, you know what I'm saying? And I'm using 20-pound Andy right now. This Andy, 20-pound Andy onto the 30-pound Power Pro. With a 3K pin fierce series, Walmart. I see it. That's what I'm using today, man. Got the split shot, tiny hook, about that far apart. That's all I'm doing now. About to hook a bait on, drop down, get us some fish. This is a good combo right here, man. Can't go wrong with it. I even catch black drum with this right here, so redfish and everything, so let's go. All right. Flat crowds. Anyone you want. fight, but I can control the fight, you heard? Let's go. Man, check my boy K out. Oh, you done hit.
Yeah.
What kind of fish is that?
Cichlid.
That's right, it's a cichlid, man. Let me see.
Cichlid, right here.
Yes, sir. You gonna use it for bait?
Yeah.
All right. We got some scissors. I mean, a knife so you can cut them up. That boy done hit a cichlid, y'all. It's windy out here. Show y'all on when I get a fish on. Let's go.
Like that too, but we gotta make sure they got the tone.
Okay, I get him up. Yeah, I got him. There you go. Sir. Simmer down, simmer down. Wipe your mouth off. Come on, man. That boy a bloody mess. Trying to sling that blood everywhere.
Doing it again, you gotta pull it down.
Yes, sir. Got my fingers all bloodied up. Yeah, I'll see it. That's number 2. My boy done hit one, man.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, I hit one. Oh, man. You had hit another one, boy. Get right.
Yeah.
Up that way. Where your mama at? Boy, I need them big boys. All right, now tell them how you do it.
You drop it down right here.
Mm-hmm.
And turn and lever.
Mm-hmm.
And then see, you catch one. And then wait.
And that's how you catch them?
And then you get it wet. And then go right here.
Yeah.
Ain't that bad.
And wait for a second. And
Boom, just like that.
yeah,
And that's how you catch them.
yeah.
Man, y'all see, y'all better listen. Official K, man, that's how you catch them.
Yeah. I told you get that right.
All right, let's put them in a bucket.
Bring that bucket right here.
Oh, come on. That boy don't play, man. That's how you do it.
Yeah.
You know how to take it off?
Yeah. See, easy.
Let me see. Show the people on the camera. Ooh, you see that boy K, man? That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Yo, let's
That's
go.
the fish man.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
That's right.
Oh my God! Stop calling my phone. Yo. Oh, he say? Okay, okay. Damn. But that's crazy, boy. He having a bad day. He having a bad day. I mean, how perfect can you get? Talking about a bullseye. Talking about a bullseye. A booty eye. Get out of here. Nah, don't you try. Get out of here. My boy hooked up. That boy got one. Yo. Man, that boy K don't play. Get him out. Come on. Get him up. Catch another one. Yeah. That boy K don't play. You got it?
Yeah.
Come on. That boy hanging out. Is that boy chilling? Yeah. You got another one.
Yeah, guys. You can spell 80 name. You can go on the boat with 80.
Okay, okay.
And like, subscribe. I hooked up with 80.
So yeah, so you getting hooked up AD, huh?
Yeah, and stop calling my phone on fish trash.
You heard that boy, man. Stop playing with K. That boy done hit one. They done doubled up. Oh, they done doubled up. Check my boy out, man.
Yeah.
That boy done hit one. Look at that, bro. He done hit one.
From right there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I found some.
Found some?
I tried to get the guard and I leave it setting.
Uh-huh.
And I found something.
Yeah.
Hitting. And I put it in and it's there.
Yeah?
Yeah. We already doubled up.
You done doubled up?
Yeah.
Please. Man, stop calling bro phone. We fishing, man. Yeah, 2 fish, 1 bait, man.
Hanging off the edge.
Hanging off the ledge. He like a big kid at the park. Look at him. Really? I'll see it, man. Hey, look. I appreciate everybody watching, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm gonna show y'all everything my boy K caught, man. That boy K in my head did his thing. Hey, K, come on, let's show them what we got. Hold on, show y'all what we got.
1 and 2, 3, 4.
My boy K.
And 5.
And 3, that's only 3.
3.
That's 4.
4 and 5.
That's 5.
And
6.
And
7.
8.
Boy, you caught 8, boy.
Yeah, I got that many.
Yeah, sit on the bucket, bro. Let me get a picture of you in front of your fish, man. You see my boy K, man. That boy done came out here and hit, huh?
Yeah.
That boy good. Look at that boy, man. Yes, sir. All right, man, listen. Hey, y'all see what my boy did, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe.
Look,
Hit the bell, show love, be nice to people, man. What we telling, K?
stop calling my phone on fishing.
Let's go.